Multiply 142 by 40 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the tens digit, 4. Start one place to the left. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 4 is 16. Put 6 in this column and carry 1. 4 times 1 plus the carried 1 is 5. The second partial product is 5,680. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 0 plus 0 is 0. In the tens column, 0 plus 8 is 8. In the hundreds column, 0 plus 6 is 6. In the thousands column, bring down 5. The product of the whole numbers is 5,680. So 142 times 40 is 5,680.